Hi guys and welcome to David's Trading. This clip is all about the 90-day challenge I have on myself, not against or towards any traders out there. It's all about making myself better as a day trader. And in this video I'm going to talk about the number one aspect I want to improve, and that's my trading strategy. Ja, ni fattar, you get it. That's about like 5 steps in this one step that I want to improve. Let me bring my cell phone. There we have. Oh, hi, I'm back. So as you guys know, or some of you know, and if this is the first time you're here and watching my channel and my movies, I love to have you here, and you're so welcome to be here also. It's all about making you a more profitable trader, and I will show you my experience and what I have been learning the last couple of years, and I will also bring you with me on my journey to be more successful also. So I usually have like a note on the cell phone where I talk about the different steps also. So number one in this category will be that I need to backtest more currency pairs, and also to backtest in a smaller time frames. I'm pretty okay with the daily 4-hour and 1-hour time frame, but I think I can improve my trading strategy to go from 1 hour to maybe 30 minutes, 5 minutes, even the little guy, you know, the 1 minute. I'm not sure, but we'll see about that. Also, why I want to be able to be better in the lower time frames is because I think the entry will be more sharp and precise, and the exit will be almost the same thing also. And I think that will make the extra 1, 2, 3% to gain in a like monthly basis. That will make like my trade be from, say for example, I average like 8% per month. Then I can maybe bring it to 10% if I can master the lower time frames. Also, I can move my stop loss to break even. From my break even, I can move it to a take profit also. So I think that will be a major area for me to improve. It will take a lot of time, but I'm happy to do it, and I will try my best to make it work. I just have to find some way to do it, and I believe I take the high time frames analysis and just bring it to the short-term analysis as well, and put like a good solid foundation and to work it from there. And number two will be that I need to make my analysis, especially I kind of like doing the analysis on the weekend, Saturday and Sundays, usually when the kids are asleep, because I really like to be with them and play with them and everything. But I find it a bit more peaceful to make the analysis when the market is closed. And I think you can bring a lot of these points into your trading career or strategy also, so you can make it more fine-tune it if you want to, like, okay, let's make this, let's try that one also. I'm not sure, but listen to me and try to, if you find something good and valuable, please try and let me know how it goes for it. Please put a comment here below and I will try to respond and reply to every one of you. So I need to make my weekly chart analysis much faster, and on Fridays I can look like, say, the half of the pairs I'm looking for. I can make a good solid foundation on those with my analysis also, and on Saturday, probably Saturday night, I will make the last bunch with my analysis and see if I can find something good in that I want to try. That way I can come into Sunday and just stay neutral, and I have like a top 5 trading currency pairs or index for that case, and then I can spend like more time into those pairs that I really find interesting the day before and 2 days before also. This way I can save more time to focus on the trades that I really find a potential set. When the Sunday night comes or Monday morning, it depends on what I'm going to do for the weekend, I'm already set up for these 5 currency pairs also. So I will try to work it out, and this will be one of the part in my daily 90-day challenge also. Number 3. I have a website, and this website is about the daily journal that I want to have. But I want to bring that to YouTube also. I want to have it in like a movie format also. That way it's much easier for me to explain in words, because I'm not that good in typing. And that way I can have a trading journal, and I will try to upload it like in the future. I really would like to upload it like 3 times a week, maybe like just 5 minutes per movie. That way you can follow my journey also, but I can also look back to my journey and see what was going good and not so good also. So I really need to take my trading journal to another level that will be easier to create and easier to understand, but also to make it more searchable, so I can find, say for example that I want to trade the euro and dollar. So I want to see my like 10 last trades in that pair. Then I can just make a search and boom, boom, it's all there. I can find it, I can watch it like 5 minutes per video or whatever, and I can make my analysis. Okay, this pair I'm good with, bullish momentum or bearish momentum, or maybe I'm not so good with it, and maybe I should avoid trading that pair. So I really need to bring my trading journal to another level. So if I can work on my number 3, the trading journal, number 4 will be so much easier. Ooh, don't we all want it more easier in life? I mean, it would be so nice if trading was just up and down. Oh man, it would save me so much time. Yeah, but unfortunately it's not. So number 4 will be that I want to make a case study about my win and losses. I want to know what I'm doing good and get even much better at, and take it to another level, and then another one, and we just go up and explode. And then on my losses, maybe it's a pattern that I do that I shouldn't do, but I don't see. But if I can watch the videos in it, then maybe I can see a pattern that I shouldn't trade like in the early mornings or late at night, or maybe I shouldn't touch this pair at all. So that's really what I want to do. I want to study my good wins and my bad ones also. And that way I can improve my good size and improve my, the bad side. Yeah, I guess you're right. Yeah. Also, I can look back to it and I can see if I have a win rate in it. If I have like, in this pair I usually stay like 65% win and the rest is loss, or 15% break even or something. Then I know, okay, I'm pretty good in this pair also. So let's see what I'm doing well here, and let's try something like that. Is there a setup that remind me of the past that I usually win or loss? Okay, so you get the point. So number 4, I'm all about studying my win and losses and make it serious and make it more like a habit than just read and then I'm off. To really learn myself from myself also. And I think that's a major subject, because a lot of new traders, they just trade and they win and they think they got it. But maybe it was just lucky. I know, you're not that person that think you're lucky. Not me either, but maybe it's luck. And I think that's very important for each one of you, and also me also, to make a study of it, to have a good trading journal also. So that's number 4. Let's go over to number 5. Oh, this one is a good one. Oh, I hope you're not in the subway or with your cell phone. I hope you're looking at this video on the big screen or the computer or something. Just kidding. It works great with a cell phone also. But number 5 is a challenge to me, but also I want to give you something back, because if I say I'm a good trader or okay trader or a great trader, I should back it up. And that's why I want to bring this to YouTube, because you can see the dates and everything, and you can follow the charts also. You can follow my entry and exit, and you can see why I want to enter this or exit here also. So everything will be like an open book. I really want to learn people how to trade better, but I want to learn myself also. So number 5, ooh, I can feel this one. Then 2020, make that year the good year for your trading career. I'm going to put my trading analysis and journal on the Google Docs. I think it's called Google Docs. Well, it's online and you can follow it. You can bookmark it and see how it goes for me month by month and quartal. You can see how all the years go also. So I really want to make this better. Actually, I follow a trader in Instagram, and he has such a good spreadsheet on this one also, that I might be asking to you if I can borrow it or something. And I'll let you know in the videos if I can borrow it, and you can download it also, or maybe I can make like a thing with him that we create this together or something. But I think it will be very good, and you can have an easy overview how the month is going, how the week is going, and the half year is going, or whatever. So that's really a challenge for me to set this up and not only just trade, to actually back it up with some good information and history also. So that was number 5. Oh, now we have the final point, number 6. And this one I really want to make it more like a habit than I'm just talking and stuff. I want to leverera, to make it happen, and you can benefit from it. Benefit, yeah, that's a good word. I want to make like every Saturday or Sunday, I will put like a 10 minutes chart analysis where I go through my 5 pairs that I'm looking to enter. And I'm not going to go too much detail into it, but this way you could follow my trades, and if you find it good, you can trade it also, and maybe we can all benefit from it. And this way I will make improvement also in my trading, and I will listen to you guys in the comments. Please just put a comment here below, and I can read it. And maybe you have a pair that I really don't believe in that pair. Then I watch it, and maybe I can see something that you also are interested in, but that I maybe missed out, and we can make a trade of that one, and a lot of people will gain from it. So I really would love to have point 6 to be a major part of my trading strategy, to challenge myself also, to make me to a better person and a trader, but also for you, and that you could benefit from it as well. And that's about that. That's about it, I should say. So that's my 6 points that I really want to improve in my trading, and I also think that you can improve it this way with as little as 6 points. If you think I missed anything, or maybe you have a question about a particular point, or maybe you think, oh David, how about this one? Just put a comment here below, and I'll try to reply to every one of you. And until then, have a great, and I mean have a great weekend, and I'll try to post the second part in this series as soon as I can. Have a great So that was it. We're also going to post videos here that I will answer your questions and what you are finding trouble in your trading career also. So please check it out and please subscribe also and all that stuff. It will mean a lot to me also, very much. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.